Every morning I come to work, this dude pulls up to work, jumps out his truck, blasts the music and start dancing. I guarantee you, as soon as he come out the truck, he gonna start dancing. What I tell you? And he loved 50 Cent. He played the same song every morning. He be sea walking and everything. I ain't even hating on him though. He trying to get his money, and he happy about getting it. He come to work on time every morning, jump out his truck, and start sea walking and playing 50 Cent. Sometimes he plays some Earth, Wind and Fire. Sometimes he play Lil Baby. Sometimes he play Future. But he played this one particular song every morning though. He be sea walking, he boogie, he dance. Get that money, champ. I ain't hating on you. Live your life.